guys, and welcome to today's video. I couldn't get a lab yesterday because I was expecting to see a bullish candle forming for the month, but it didn't come out, and we're still experiencing our downtrend. We're still on the downtrend. The market is still pulling us down, like you could see from my chart here. The market is still pulling us down, but at the same time, that doesn't mean you can't make money from the market. At every second, money is being made in the market. At the bear market, money is being made. At the bull market, money is being made. But a lot of people tend to make profit when the market is bull. So it's okay, but for what we are seeing here, for what you could clearly see on my chart here, it shows that the downtrend is still on. The downtrend is still on upon us. For us to see something really looking good, we have to come above this point of 24k before we could see something that will really look bullish to us. We have to come to this point of 24k. So guys, probably we're not going to be using though we are using perpetual futures. So because basically I talk more about futures, how to get in and get out and make your profit, not to go there and lose the little money you have due to financial issues. So let's lower the chart to the daily to hourly time frame, so we could clearly see what the chart is doing, because I clearly see that we'll be going down a little more. We'll be going down, not just a little more, we'll probably be going down, but I believe as we're going down, we'll be coming up as fast as we'll be going down also. So the chart is clearly showing us from this point of where we drop from, that we are heading down, like we're heading down, and the downtrend is still massive on us. That probably may take us to as low as 15 to 16k, like I'm seeing here. Probably will play out this year, so that next year will be a bullish year for us. In this year, as throughout this year has been just not good for the crypto market. It hasn't been good for over 60 something days. The market has been on a bear. It has been on a bear. So let's go to the daily time frame, so we truly know how to get money out of the market today. Let's use the daily time, let's use the hourly time frame, so we could know how to make money out of the market today, because that is our day-to-day work. Our aim in the market is to get money out of the market. So let's go to the hourly time frame and see how we could get money out of the market today. But as we could clearly see it from this point here, we are still bearish. Let me draw the chart way up. So see, we are still bearish. See, the candle that formed is still bearish candle. Probably we're going to be tossing this point, because we've been having this higher low, and then this point choose to move us. That was how we managed to get to this point of 24k, 25k. So another higher low is forming here again. If it drop us more down, at least 18, 17, 900, that means there will be a massive strength that might take us back to 20, 22, 24k. That's it. So here we are, the hourly time frame. We're using perpetual, so that is for those that are trading futures. So listen and get what you want from the market, because we've got rejected here. The support zone has take a look at the support zone. We've been moving this way. It means the higher low has been forming, and then the moving wedge is not that strong on the market at the moment. It's not that strong on the market at the moment, but I believe we should come down to this point of 19k or 19,900. 19,900. The market should be able to move towards this point of 20k, and I believe we should break above this point of 2400. The market will take us out of this bear for the week. The market will take us out of this bear, but we need to come down to this point of 19 something before the market will be able to gain strength. Let me widen up where, so you could see that from the chart here, the market is about to drop. It's about to drop, and if it should come down to this previous support zone here, is going to break down. It's going to break down, but I'm targeting 19k to get into the market. But I'm going to wait and see how fast the retest candle is going to be. Look at this candle that formed right here. You see it tested, and then with a high speed it lifted up. That was the candle that took us to 2200 yesterday. So I'm going to observe that same movement here today again and see how speed this candle will move back when it tests this point here. If the speed is high, that means I'm going to get into the market. If the speed is low, that means it's going to break, and if it breaks, we should be observing something of this 18800 right here. That's what we should be observing, 18800 right here. I believe from this point the market should have its strength, and then goes back up again. So this definitely, this is how we're going to be struggling in the market until we really get out of this mess right here. But I don't really know when this is going to be over. I can't tell you guys that, see guys, the bear market will be over today, to be over tomorrow. No, I don't really know when that will be over, because it's clearly showing on our chart here that we are on a very huge downtrend. So let me quickly bring up the cap. So if you could be shorting the market from this point here and come down to this point, I believe you should get up to 2% from the market, and then when it comes to this point of 19, you should long the market back again. But make sure the trend is over. I believe this trend is going to be over by 11 o'clock. So by 11 o'clock we should see what the next candle at the hourly time frame is going to do. But as of that, you could still go to the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and stay there, scalp the market, and again keep getting your profit. Get an entry from 1 minute, and then come back to 15 minutes to observe the market. Get your entry from 1 minute, come to 15 minutes or 5 minutes to observe the movement of the market, because what we're seeing here is not moving. But if you really go down to your 1 minute, you see how the market is going to move. So the market structure starts from the 1 minute time frame, and then it will come to 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and then it will reflect at the higher time frame. So before you could get an entry from this higher time frame, the tune has already played out at the lower time frame. So you could see the MACD from this point here. The MACD is just, it has been having a slight move. That was what really played out here. It has been having a slight move, and then this little bounce up here was what really brought this other high that we saw right here yesterday. Yeah, this little bounce up here was what really brought this other shit here up. So if it doesn't go down the more, because if you could see the MACD clear, we are having a sell, strong sell, a weak sell, a weak sell. After the weak sell, I believe we should be having a little strong buy. From that point there. So just observe the market from the lower time frame, so you could come up here and really get your profit out of the market, because it's really looking strong for us here. Because I believe with what we are forming right here, but what is forming right here, guys, it's not going to look easy on this market today. It's not going to look easy. I'm seeing it dropping already. So if you are taking your entry, make sure you do it, and make sure you keep your stop loss very close to this zone of 400 or 500. Keep your stop loss very close to this 19400 or 19500, depending on how much you are risking for the market, and then adjust your take profit to this point of 19. I believe it get there will be a bounce back again, and then you could as well flow with the market again. So guys, that is what I have to offer. I've been seeing a lot of comment on our videos. I've been seeing a lot of inbox in my WhatsApp page, on my Twitter page. So guys, do well to leave a thumb up on the video. Let us know where we are lacking behind. Let us know what you would like to see in our next video. Also, tomorrow will not be doing video because tomorrow is Sunday. You can always come to my inbox for more guide. Thank you guys, and see you in our next video. Thank you.